Today I'm making a small bench from two 2x4s that if you've been watching for a while, you've seen me do. But I'm making the simplest version yet, using no routers, table saws, or complex tools other than a sander, my drills, and my miter saw. But today I'm not making it in the classic red I've always made it. Start by taking 31 inches from each 2x4, and that's going to be the seat. It's a small bench, but believe me, it sells and people keep saying how cute it is. Next, on one of the 2x4s, cut out 4 16-inch parts, discard the rest, there won't be much left. The second one, cut out 24 inches, that's gonna be the brace, and 4 7 3/4 inch parts. That's it, all the parts are cut and ready to work on. Using my trusty bottle of PVC glue, I'm tracing the corners of the 16-inch parts, which are the legs, then going to my spindle sander. You could do the same with any sander, but of course this works faster. Sand everything nice and smooth. Round over the edges to be consistent and smooth, and only sand the tips of the 31 and 16-inch parts. The rest are fine that way for the glue-ups. Let's get this bench assembled, but first please like and subscribe. Leave a comment, anything you do helps the channel a ton. To reach new people every day, thanks to all subscribers and everyone watching. To build this, I'm not taking measures, I'm using the pieces we have as references. For the top part, space it by the thickness of one board. Clamp everything up to screw them later. For the bottom part, use the width of a board and make sure the part that touches the table is the nicest part, because that's what's going to be on the outside. Flip it over if not. Here I'm doing live pocket screws. I said I'm making it simple and keeping to my word. This countersink drill bit sure helps hide my screws a little bit more though. I've gotten a lot of comments asking where I got those. It's on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. They're really cheap and super useful. I brought the 2 packs of screws. I wasn't too sure what size to use, but I ended up going with 2 inches. Worked out great. the middle brace, if you don't have a long clamp, get someone to help. It's gonna be tricky to screw if not. Same as earlier, live pocket screws from under. Just sand the holes real smooth before you finish it later. Sand all the screw holes, joints, connections, just make it look smooth and nice. That's what sells the bench, the finish. Usually I've been doing this bench red, but today I'm using the same walnut colored stain and water-based finish that I've been using on my bench videos lately. Check out my latest videos if you haven't seen them. I've made a bunch of benches with 2 to 5 2x4s. Screw it from under with 2.5-inch screws, just enough so they don't poke out from the top. 8 screws total. I decided to retouch some of the stain in places that weren't nice enough. As I said, the finish sells the bench. I finalized with this water-based finish that dries up super fast and gives a great result. I've been loving it lately. That's it for this bench. Thanks for watching and see you next time.